Faults to a cable located in between Thuila and the sawmill cut power to the southern side of the island over the weekend. On Sunday morning, Niue Power staff spent the whole day to locate the fault, and we spoke to Spiro Hetutu today about the problem.
The fault that isolates the power to all the southern side caused by the cable fault between the first pole, the Thuila, and going down to the sawmill. We found that one out when we isolate and test, and we know that one of the cable out of the three is faulty, and we work during the day, try to restore power to the customers using the two remaining good wires. Unfortunately, if any cable fault within these areas, it will knock off the power for the whole of the southern side until we isolate and then restore back power.
Spiro Hetutu says that the Niue Power Corporation may have to rethink ways to avoid such problems becoming regular occurrences. On another unrelated note, reticulation staff were working today to repair a power pole transformer in Kaimisi. This is one of the few remaining areas on the island that is powered utilizing above-the-ground cabling.
We have a standby emergency up at the airport, and so as other critical areas like the hospital and a couple of the telecommunications. So there are some standby genset for this reason, but we must look into this. And like you say at high school, I think that's important too. The USB have their own standby because of this problem, and we will have to look into this. Shutdown today is not related to the problem during the weekend. This is scheduled maintenance. Fortunately, one of the pole transformers, the oil has been leaking out, and that's why we turn it off to renew this transformer. And also there is one main isolator that caused a complete outage, unnecessary. We will have to look into that one in the next couple of weeks. It's part of the European Union undergrounding and renewing of all underground cable. All of this aerial will have to come down, and thanks to the European Union, they supply the funds, and then we'll have to look for some extra funds for other transformers. But yes, it will come down.
Spiro says that it is hoped that the last remaining stretches of power lines found above ground will be replaced with underground cabling by 2012.